All right. Wanted to redo my transfer case, but I don't have a good workspace. So I cleared this area out. It's about 10.5 feet wide. Moved all the crap here for now. And I'm gonna make myself a workbench. It's gonna be 2 feet, 8 inches deep, full width, about my height, my waist height, which I haven't measured yet, but I'll figure that later. These 4x4s will be my posts. And let's get going. So far I've got these pieces cut. These will run this way. I'm gonna pretty much do ladder rungs in there. So I'm cutting some of those rungs now. 2 foot 5 inches wide, 3 inches there. So that's 2 foot 8 inches total depth. And I'll just kind of keep you updated as I go. All right, I've had these 2x4s in the garage for I think over a year, and they are twisted. So we've got some twisted surfaces here, but we're gonna attempt to straighten them out just by bolting them to the wall. And I might have to get a concrete anchor to pull one corner down. We'll see. All right. It's not perfect, but it is pretty good. Checked level on it all over the place. It's pretty close. I think this is a little bit high right here, or low, I can't remember, one of the two, but I can adjust that. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a top, put the top on it, and then level it with the top on it. And then I'll really drive home all these anchor points. But it's gonna be a lot easier to get it really level when I got the top on it. Now, what I'm gonna do for the top is I'm gonna cut out a piece that covers about 3/4 of this length. And then I'm gonna leave a section here for what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a metal surface right there for welding. So I'll have wood here and then metal over there. I'm just gonna do a 1/4 inch plate on top of a 1/2 inch plywood on the end. And then over here, I'm gonna do 3/4 inch MDF. So let's get started on that. All right, had to take off for a little bit with the family, so it's a bit later in the day, but here we are, getting pretty close. Got your MDF, and over here just some plywood. I didn't have 1/2 inch. I thought I had 1/2 inch. This is actually 3/4 inch, so it's basically the same thickness as the MDF. So I'll have to replace that with 1/2 inch once I get my 1/4 inch steel. I put just a strip of MDF here. I glued it, tacked it. I'll probably do the same here. Some MDF there. These legs are not actually attached yet. They're just there, kind of wedged in place. So I think I need some lighting up above to illuminate this area better because it's pretty hard to see. It's kind of dark. Yep, time to kind of get it all cleaned up. I'll get my bench vise mounted, get a couple tools put on it, and go from there.